Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And this is actually how to my Instagram account. If this is the first time watching my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. So I'll be showing you a few tips that you need to know about on how to start making money with Instagram. But there are a lot of people out there look for you to actually make money with Instagram. But there is a way that you can actually make money. The number one way I can advise you guys to do is like maybe so like after marketing, actually selling products or stuff like that. But the second way you can actually make money like I normally do is like doing the flipping method. I think you guys must have been hearing about the flipping method on our Instagram, but you guys don't normally know how it works. So I'll be showing you how the flipping method works. The first thing you have to know about the flipping method is just like a way like you trying to build an Instagram account from scratch and sell it at an high profit rate. So that's what we call flipping method. Or is a way that you actually like you acquire an account at a low rate and sell it at a high profit rate. So you just don't buy any random account. Like buy any random account. There is a way that you know buy account that you have to know what type of account do I want to buy. We have a lot of images that are very broad, like they are very wide that you can actually get. You have a lot of money niche, luxury niche, and more stuff like that. So how do we make money with flipping method? This is an account I built from scratch because I started this account like I followed up like 1,367. Then I gained 39K followers, but it's not that easy because you have to keep posting every day. And constant and constant is what the key to succeed in building an Instagram account. Then another way you can actually make money with Instagram account is by selling your Instagram account, is by uploading your Instagram account on a platform called Social Trader. So this Social Trader is just like a middleman business. Like they help you to sell your account, they help you to promote your Instagram account for people who are in need of it, like who are actually trying to buy it. So they help you to promote your account. So to help you get legit buyers for your account. So as you can this is the platform. This is buy and sell Instagram accounts. We offer money back guarantee. So you can also buy account from me and you can also sell. That is the two ways you can actually do it. Either you buy or you sell. They are not ordinary dealing with Instagram anymore. They also deal with TikTok. So let's check some categories that you can actually get started with. So as you can see, we have a lot of categories. Number one is photography and travel niche. Photography and travel is just like is a big niche that is very great and very good, and also you can actually plug into this niche if you're interested. But another one we call it is what we call the food and nutrition. Well, based on food and nutrition is another niche and evergreen niche also. Travel niche is also a evergreen niche. The third one is fashion and style. Is another evergreen niche also again. Fitness and sport is also an evergreen niche. Quote and text. So luxury and motivation. So this is the niche I love the most. Luxury and motivation. So I'll show you guys on how to make money using flipping method. As you can see, this person uploaded his account at 2K followers, and his account was uploaded on the platform at the rate of $130. There's another one also called the Luxurious Center. I think this was like based on premium name, so the price very high. So and also this. So I don't know anything about the premium using, but if you can actually build an account from scratch from like 0 followers to like 10K followers, I promise you guys you can actually make in like close to like $110, like at least like $100. So that is a good starting. When you start to grow more, like you start to build more like 20K followers, then you can actually earn more than $200 or close to like $200 and just like that. See this person who built on Instagram account based on money niche, just like the one. So the followers are like 86.5K. If you be on an account that reach like 86.5K followers, your account will be uploaded at the rate of $1,695. That is a good rate. And you're actually going to get up to like, let me just say, close to like $900 because the not helping you to promote your account. You won't be able to get all the money back because this we have to click in we have to click the account right now. You see it says buy now or make offers. Then this person account has this offers currently pending, as you can see. So either you make an offer or you buy. So that's it. That's the two ways they normally buy accounts on social trader. So that's the way it is. The way you can actually make a lot of money just by selling Instagram account. You can even start with money niche. I think money niche is one of the best account you can actually start with. That will really help you to make a lot of money. Using making use of money niche to start. That is a great tool. And how do you make money? Like let me show you how it works. Like the fast delivery now, so like that, like the payments. Buy the account like they say, buy the account or drop your offer. One offer needs to get approved. When your offer gets approved, then the seller will be notified that an offer has been granted for him. So they will notify the person. So either you receive your new account. Once you receive your payment, you deliver your Instagram account within 3 business days, 24 hours for fast delivery. So seller receives like Social Trader release the payment to the seller once everything is done. So according to Social Trader, you actually undergo what we call takeover section, just like you trying to chat with the middleman, like telling them the necessary details or like login details of your account. So that's why you do it. So that's what this takeover is all about. Then another way you can also make money by selling again is just like you come to FilmSwap. FilmSwap is also like social trader also, but under FilmSwap, you don't want to upload your account by yourself. So you really want to upload that and you really want to put price on it. Not like social trader, the Airbnb don't want to put price on it. And then you can actually get direct buyer on FilmSwap instead of social trader helping you to bid, you want to be able to chat with your buyer directly. So FilmSwap offers you more bonus than social trader. So that's how you do it. You can upload it at any amount of it. As you can see, this one is selling TikTok accounts. So it was uploaded like 3 days ago. Where it's the account for sale fully opened. TikTok shop for creators. So it also has TikTok creation shop. So I think the offer price is like around range of $100. Something just like around range of $100. $100. So you upload the price you want. So that's how you do it. So that's another way you can actually make money on Instagram just by building Instagram from scratch and selling it at high rates or acquiring Instagram from others people like trying to buy it at low rate and selling it at high rates. But mind you, don't just sell any account from like don't buy any random account and make sure you always get a high quality account whenever you want to try to buy an account from someone. I always make sure the person's account also like it has all this professional dashboard that will show all the insight of all the account of how the account is doing, like how the account has been going from scratch to the end. So that's how it is. So if you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. Thanks for watching. Good day.